Hey guys, it's Wednesday, May 6th. Today you have a research day. So yesterday you picked which topic you wanted to research. Today you're actually going to start searching. So what you need to do is go down to our short story and research paper unit. And then if you click in here, it says research materials. And inside that, I have examples for MLA template citation or citations. So you'll click on this one. So this is your MLA citation entry. You will need to fill one of these out for each source, not for each note card you take, for each source. So you should have 3. You'll put the author, the title. I did a video on this like a week or two ago, so if you need that, go and find it in the research folder. There should be a video in there. And then go through this, fill this out for each source. Do it as you go. Don't wait until the very end. If you wait until the very end and then you can't find that source again, then you can't use those note cards and you're going to be real bummed. Remember, you can't use Wikipedia as a source. So don't try that and see if you can get away with it. Those note cards won't count. For your note cards, I have note cards right here. So click on this. And then you should be able to go file, make a copy, and then you can edit your own note cards. You can fill them out right online if you want to, and then when it's time to turn in your note cards, you can submit them that way. Otherwise, I've had a few of my 10th graders have asked if they can print them and then take pictures of them. You can do that too if you'd rather handwrite them. It's kind of up to you how you want to do that. Your goal today then is to get about 3 or 4 note cards. We're going to take it really slow, but if you stick to the goal, you should be able to get them all done by the time you need them done without making it super hard on yourselves. So, your goal today, get 3 to 4 note cards that go along with your topic that you chose. Make sure you fill out an MLA citation sheet for each source. You should have 3 of those. By the end of this thing, we'll have 20 note cards. Have a good day. If you have questions, make sure you let me know.